Series on BFM, and today's topic is correspondent banking. Correspondent banking means we'll be covering objective questions on that. But what is correspondent banking? See here I'll be covering one important subject that is called as escrow account. It is very important from BFM point of view. So that's why follow this video till the end. Also follow the complete series. Okay. Firstly, I would suggest download Adda 24/7 app. Okay. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes, plus live classes you will be getting, plus ebooks you will be getting, tests you will be getting. What all do you need for CAIIB next? Only this much. Okay. So download it now. Okay. Next is subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates. Number one, on JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams. Also, you will be getting the free YouTube series. Free, okay? Whatever is free, grab it fast for on all the subjects related to CAIIB. Okay? This is the new batch just now started from this January 23rd. Okay, join this SF for CAIIB. All the four important subjects are covered: ABM, BFM, ABFM, and BRBL. Also, recorded videos for the this electives are also given. Okay, so join this SF. Presently offers are going on. Remember, use the code Y43 to 80% off is going on. Okay, we are covering all the numericals, objective questions, everything related to these four subjects. Now let's start the questions. Okay, so Forex transactions are classified according to the date of deal and the date of delivery. Which of the following is not correct regarding the type of exchange transaction? We want not correct. Okay, not correct. Let me see. Okay, so date of transaction and date of delivery. Remember, there are always two things in any transaction. In your why Forex? In your normal transaction also, right? There are two things. Means suppose if you go for buying the flat, right? What do? You give the payment now and the deal will be done on some later date, right? But do you fix the flat? Similarly, if you in shares also, when you if you are in stock market, some of you, right? So you might be seeing this. If I pay today, the shares come to my account after 2 days. So that's the basic thing. So what is the basic rule about this? So if it's cash, then it will be settled on the same day. We want not, remember. So is it true? Cash is settled on the same day. Cash, or we call it ready also, cash ready. So is this true? Answer is yes or no over here. Correct? Yes. Let me get it from you only. Why should I answer? I'll answer it later. Spot means delivery of Forex takes place on the second working day of the contract. Spot is second working day. Is it so? Tom, delivery of Forex takes place on the next working day of the contract. Forward is delivery of Forex takes place before second working day of the contract. So which one is not correct? Everyone? Is spot correct? Spot is always done on the second working day, and Tom is always done on the next working day. What is correct? Is A, B, C, all these three are correct, or this D is correct or wrong? Forward means what? Okay, got it? See here, all of these are correct. So B is also correct, C is also correct, only D is wrong. Why? Because what is forward? Any day after spot. Remember this, any day after spot is known as forward, right? And there is one more term which is not given in your books as of now, but that is called as future. What is future? Future is the organized forward. It's forward market only, but it's a organized forward. Like in forward, what happens? I can buy $1 or $2 also in future, right? I can book a contract for $10 in forward. But in future, there is a fixed lot size. It's like the options which we trade. In future, I have a fixed lot size. In this, I can't buy $10 over here. I have to buy the lot size of whatever is given. It may be 150, whatever series is given. Okay. So got this point? Forward means any day after spot. Cash means same day. Spot means second working day. Second means what? If today is my cash, if I give the cash today, okay, then my transaction takes place not on this date, it takes place on this date. Okay, so one day there's a gap in between, and if it takes place over here, Then it is Tom. This is my cash giving date and this is my transaction date. So immediately on the next day means next working day. Remember, we are not talking of day, calendar day. Okay, got it? For the purpose of forex transactions, foreign banks maintain accounts with the ADs in India, in Indian rupees. In mutual communications, ADs in India refer to such accounts as, means what? See here, imagine Citibank over here, Citibank USA, City US, okay, is maintaining an account with SBI in rupees. SBI India, I am talking specifically of India because SBI has branches in US also. So if Citibank has an account with SBI India, so what will SBI India call that account? Loro, FCNR, Vostro or Nostro? What will it call? Yeah? Will it call Loro? Will it call FCNR? What is FCNR? FCNR, NRE, NRO, these are NRI accounts, right? Remember. And shall I give you some details over here? See this, NRE, NRO and FCNR, right? These are NRI accounts. These are NRI accounts, okay? Then we have EFC, Exchange Earners Foreign Currency Account, EFC, and DDA, Diamond Dollar Account. These are exporters account. Exporters, remember this, okay? Account. And Nostro, Vostro, I won't call Loro actually. Loro is not an account. Nostro, Vostro are banks accounts with each other. Banks account. Banks have their accounts with each other. Okay. Got it? So, what will this be called as? Nostro, Vostro or Loro? Yeah. FCNR is not there definitely. So, what will it be called as? What will SBI call this? See here, Citibank is having account with SBI. So, that will be called as Vostro. Okay. In the books of SBI, remember. SBI will call this account as Vostro, but Citibank will call this account as Nostro. So understand, Nostro, Vostro are not separate accounts. It's only in whose books I am calling it. Okay. So if I am calling this account from the books of SBI, I'll call this Vostro. If I am calling this account from the book of Citibank US, then I'll be calling this as Nostro. So okay. Accounts of a bank with a foreign correspondent bank abroad is called as, now this is reverse. What is the case over here? City US is over there, US, and SBI India, that is maintaining an account. Now look at the arrow is over here. Earlier the arrow was on this side, right? So now what is this called as? So SBI will call this account as Nostro, but City will call this account as Vostro, right? So the bank who is maintaining the account or whose account is maintained calls this Nostro, and the bank who is maintaining the account calls it Vostro. So what will this be called as? Loro, FCNR, Escrow and Nostro. So what is this? It is called as Nostro in the books of SBI. Okay, but what is this escrow you are talking? Loro, you know what is Loro? Okay, Loro is just an arrangement. Understand this. Loro is not an account actually. Okay, Loro is an arrangement. Means what? Let's say SBI and Citibank are not having account with each other. They don't have any connection, but they want to transfer money to each other. So what will they do? They'll get a third bank. Let's say I'll give an example. BOB, Bank of Baroda. Okay. Imagine that both are having the account with BOB. SBI is also having it, Citibank is also having. So what will SBI do? SBI wants to transfer funds to Citi. SBI will tell BOB that kindly debit my account and credit the account of Citibank USA. So we are using the account of third bank over here. Or there can be a chain of banks. So that is called as Loro. So Loro is just an arrangement. It's not a perfect account with each other. Okay. Now let me come to this escrow. Escrow, although it's not a part of this question, but I'll tell you what is escrow account. Very important account. An escrow account in India is a bank account with conditions on ownership of fund. Conditions means it's like this. Let me show you over here. Okay, let me remove this first. Whatever is not required. Okay. Yeah. Now look at this. conditions of ownership means what? There is a person A, there is a person B, right? So B is a buyer, A is a seller, right? So what happens? Now B is afraid that whether this person will send the goods correctly or not, means as per the standards, and A is afraid if whether B will pay to him or not. So how to tackle this? They open a joint account in a third bank, in a bank, let's say XYZ bank, okay, bank. So this account will have the joint signing authority, means it can't be withdrawn by single person. So it's similar to that of the joint account with all of them as the signing authority, all of them, right? We have that, all of them, or all, right? So it's similar to that account. So that's why what is it said? Bank account with the conditions on ownership of funds, conditions, okay? In simple terms, it is a safe house for assets while the transaction process is still ongoing. So up till the time A has not checked, means A has not sent the goods, B won't let these funds go to A, because the funds are kept in the joint account. Nobody will be able to withdraw it, right? So A will be confident that yes, there are funds. Once I send the goods, I'll definitely get the money. And B is confident, I'll give the money only after seeing the goods. So while the transaction is in process, it is a safe house, this bank. Escrow agent is a mediator who holds this escrow account. Agent means here, it can be a bank also, it can be other one. Even PayPal gives the escrow services now, PayPal, okay? Many others, not only PayPal, many of them, okay? So got this point? Let me explain you one more using this picture, okay? Let's say this buyer and this is a seller. Seller dispatches 1000 pieces of merchandise, let's say chairs, 1000 pieces of chairs. But what happens? This buyer doesn't know how these chairs are, and seller is afraid this buyer won't pay him. So that's why they appoint an escrow agent. Generally, bank acts as an escrow agent over here. So buyer is insecure about making the payment without the receipt. He is insecure, right? Because goods are not received, and seller is insecure about dispatch of goods without this money. So both are unsafe over here. So using this escrow account, what happens? This seller will be confident that yes, money is lying in the bank, and buyer will be confident that yes, money is lying in the bank, and that will be given to the seller only when I check the goods, right? So that is important. So this is how the escrow account works, okay? Jointly by all. That's a simple joint account system. Now before going ahead, let me come to this batch. All the 4 subjects ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL are covered. Number 1. Number 2, all the numericals, objective questions, case studies, whatever is required for CAIIB, the subjects, all of them are covered, okay? Use the code Y432, get 80% discount. Press here, this offer won't last long. It's for the limited time only, okay? Which of the following is not correct regarding classification of the correspondent accounts? So, not correct, we again want not correct. Means what? Nostro, our account with you. So if SBI is maintaining, okay, is maintaining account with Citi over here, Citi, US, yeah, this is US. So my account with you, SBI's account with you, that will be called as Nostro. Is it true? Is it yes or no? Type fast. Is it yes or no over here? Yeah, it is yes, right? What about Vostro? Your account with us means Citibank will call this account as Vostro. Why? Because for Citibank, your account, SBI's account with us, with Citi. So that is again why. Loro, their account with me. That is wrong. What did we say? That Loro is not an account. It's just an arrangement. Their account with them. Okay, them. That is the correct this word for this, okay? Their account with them and none of these. So what is the correct option over here? We want not. Means what? Which is not the exact definition of something. So is Nostro the correct definition? Our account with you? Yes. Is Vostro the correct definition? Yes. Loro? No. So that is my answer. Okay. Bank of India maintains Nostro account with Citibank in New York. Bank of Baroda also maintains Nostro account with Citibank, New York. If Bank of India wants to transfer funds from Nostro account to Nostro account of BOP, then the account will be called as, now this is what, here, there are more than 2 banks involved. When there are more than 2 banks involved and they are talking of the arrangement, then what? We are talking of Nostro, Vostro, Loro or CAIIB. What is this CAIIB? CAIIB is not an account. CAIIB has nothing to do with accounting system over here, okay? Yeah. So what is this? A, B or C? Many banks are involved. So it is type fast. C. Loro, correct? One for your homework. When foreign currency is fixed and the value of the home currency is variable, then it is called as foreign currency is fixed. Means, for example, $1 equals to rupees, let's say 80. So what is this called as? Dollar is fixed and rupee is fluctuating. Check that, okay? Is it direct rate, indirect rate, cross rate or variable rate? Tomorrow I'll give you the answer, okay? So before going, let me give you the discount part. How to get the discounts? Let's go to Adda 24/7 live, okay? Go to Adda 24/7 live. So this, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. Now you see the JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack, CAIIB 23. Click on CAIIB 23. Okay. Once you click on CAIIB 23, you'll see the batches. Click on this batch, latest batch, okay, English batch. You'll see the details. The details means what? What are the timings? What are the dates? What is the study plan? Everything is given over here, okay. So study plan, and you can go through it, okay. I'll cover 2-3 important ones. Number one, 24/7 recorded videos are available. So if you miss out on any class, okay, you can definitely get back the revised classes or the recorded classes over there. Number two, you can go for ebooks are available over here. Interactive classes are available. Interactive means what? You can ask the questions there and then itself. Now let me come to the fees part, okay. This fees part, 23,999. Click on view offers. Now look at, put the code Y432. Click on apply. Say this 23,999 reduces to 4,799. 80% off you are getting. This offer is valid for some time only. Grab it ASAP. Also, as the offer is going on, let me show you this Mahapack also. In Mahapack, always I would suggest, because right now it's offer, so that's why go for the Mahapack also now. JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack. Click on the Mahapack, okay. Now look at this. Click on CAIIB ka Mahapack. Now you'll see this. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches. Multiple means how many? Say this. 15 plus batches for ABM, BFM, BRBL and this ABFM, right? 15 plus batches. Also, again, you can get the recorded videos over here. Mock tests are available. Topic wise questions are available. So everything is there, okay. 15 plus batches means it's a good thing actually, okay. Now click on view offers, 35,996. Click on view offers, put the code Y432. Click on apply, okay. Now look at this, 35,996 reduces to 7,199. 80% off, and that also for what period? Okay, 6 plus 6, 12 months period, okay. It's a huge discount. Go for it immediately. Why am I stressing on these batches? Because look at the portion has changed, okay. Say this. The portion for CAIIB is, earlier you had only 2 compulsory subjects, ABM, BFM. Now you have ABM, BFM, ABFM and BRBL. So these 2 are added new. ABFM and BRBL are added new, right? So that's why you will be needing some guide, some mentor. And what are the electives? Even the electives. Rural, HR, IT, Central Banking and Trade. There is no retail elective. Negative marking is gone. So that's a good sign for you guys, okay? Negative is not there now. But subjective questions are there. You'll have to write the answers, okay? Solve the case studies. So that's why you'll be needing a guide, a mentor for this, okay? Go for this immediately. Tomorrow.